Hi there, it's Rachel with Adventures in Pop-Ups, and do you have a goofy cabinet? I have not known what to do with this skinny, wide cabinet. It's right when you walk in the door, so we've been putting things like bug spray, sunblock, lighters, flashlights, which is great. However, we don't know how to organize it. I thought about putting a shelf in, and while I think that would have been helpful, check out what I decided to do. And I think you're gonna like it, and you might want to do it too. What I ended up doing was I got some of those shoe organizers, they call them. We all in the camping world know that you can organize anything with them, and they work great. I'm going to quickly talk you through what I did and show you how it went so that you can decide if it's something that might help your storage needs in your camper. Now, when I bought this off of Amazon, and I will drop the link in the description, so if you happen to want the one that I got, obviously they're available anywhere, but if you want an easy link, I'll drop it to you. And it came way bigger than I needed, so I cut it to size, and I cut it below the seam so that it would look like a finished edge. And so what I ended up doing was I preserved the top, and I currently have it hanging on the top of my bathroom wall. Most campers don't have a bathroom wall if they're a pop-up. However, we do, and that's where it works for us. And I think it's going to be a pretty handy spot, and it could go on either side or inside the bathroom, what have you. So that's the part I preserved that had the grommets for the over-the-door hook. I had no use for that in this cabinet. So I used the other pieces, and I used the bottom for the inside, and I left it wide with 4 pockets, a 4x2. And then I took a 3x2 section, and I folded over the edges, and I hemmed it a little bit smaller. I folded over the top. I hemmed it a little bit smaller with my sewing machine. On the bottom, it was still too low, so I actually folded it up and hemmed it that way as well, just to make the pockets a little bit smaller. It was a really close fit. Now, here's the trick. Are you ready for the trick? If you don't know this, you need to know this. If you're going to sew with a sewing machine on plastic, you need tissue paper. And I'm talking about like gift wrap tissue paper. You can put it anywhere that there is plastic meeting metal, which if you don't, then you're going to find out really quick that it doesn't go smoothly because it's tacky. So it's going to get stuck. So all you do is slide the tissue paper on there. You go ahead and sew like normal. And I just held it on there. I didn't do anything fancy. And it just rips right off, gently, but rips right off, and you won't ever know it was there. And it made your sewing much easier. This is what the back looks like. See how I did that? I just made it a little shorter so that I can close the cabinet. So let's try it out. I went with some extreme mounting tape. I just picked this up at Menards. I'm sure you can find any old kind of tape, but I went with this one because it said it's gonna hold more pounds. So hopefully this will do the trick. The reason I went with tape was I was thinking about a staple gun here, which probably would work fine. However, that is cheap. I don't even know what it is. Plywood. Someone tell me what this is called. If I put a staple through here, it's gonna poke the person sitting on the couch on the other side. So I wanted to go with mounting tape. I'm pretty sure this is good to go. It's all weather. It's supposed to hold up for years. So I hope I like it. I'm excited. it. I hope it holds up for a long time. I think it seems pretty secure. Let me know if you guys have used these shoe organizers and what creative ways you have done it. I have it over my bathroom, I have it here, and then I still have another little strip that I think I might hang by our bed to slip our phones in, if only there was an outlet over there to charge them at night. We'll see. Let me know any ideas you have. Thank you for watching Adventures in Pop-Ups. Thanks for checking out my little DIY idea here. I hope it sparks your imagination to think through your little quirks to your camper. And if you're curious what the rest of our camper looks like, we do have a tour video. We have adventure videos, campsite reviews, hacks, tips. We have some great videos with pre-trip tips. We have our top 10 camper mods and essentials that you may want to check out to make your camping experience more awesome. So I hope you have a blessed day. God bless you, and thank you for watching. We'll see you later.